You guys, you already know who it is. Miss HM, aka Queen David, CEO of Turtle Gang, Never Give Up. I just want to do a little snippet for you guys today. It's called No Regrets. So I hope you guys enjoy.
I live with no regrets until there's nothing left. To do it all again. To do it all again. I live with no regrets until there's nothing left. To do it all again. Do it all
again. No regrets on me until the very end. Run this race of faith, don't hesitate. Swear about the line, but you keep it straight. And you kept it straight. I done lose my mind, don't know what to turn. So I fired up that blunt and I let it burn. Got my problems in the air, so that's what I thought. Blaming others for my action, but it's my fault. Had to get a grip. Holy Ghost took control, yeah, that's what I will. Took me off the back road, now I'm on the interstate. Covered in this love, yeah, that's how he operate. Died for me, cause he knew I was sin. May fall down, keep it going to the end. My life already been set, so I'm out here living life with no regrets. Nah. Yeah. I do it all again. I do it all again.